Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me. The July Ipsy glam bag. Wow, stuff was moving there. Did we have an earthquake? Oh wait, we can't. I live in Chicago. Anyway, the theme is take a break. Put your phone on airplane mode. Put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Whether it's a living room dance party, why? Because you've been in quarantine for almost a year, or a bold lipstick that's hiding under your mask, take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow, which we've all been doing for about a year. Where will it take you? Let's find out. Okay, so take a break. Okay, we got a glam bag packing list. It talks about how they design the glam bags. Not that you need to know, but it's like $50 value in here. Adorable makeup bag, which now I have the Pina Colada song called Escape. Actually, that's the name of the actual song. It's not called the Pina Colada song. Well, it is, but it's also called Escape. If you like pina coladas, and then write to me and escape, which if you actually look at that song, it's kind of creepy, but that's a whole nother YouTube video that I should probably talk about. How it's basically two people kind of cheating on each other. Anyway, cute little bag. Oh, look, the little dangle is an airplane. Make your airplane fly. Nobody's flying right now, though. Why? COVID! Anyway, we're going to take a break from that. Okay. Dump it all out on my lap. It's a cute little clear bag, too. Look at that. Like this. Okay. Ciate. I always pronounce it wrong. Ciate? London? It is Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I've had this before. I love it. Hydrating, keeps your lips from getting chapped. Yay! I love this stuff. It is going right here by my computer because I've been living like on my couch like everyone else for the past 11 months. Then we have a Luxie Beauty. It's 205 tapered blending brush. This one's different now. If you've seen my other video, you've seen other Luxie brushes. Look at that. It's got this like little, it's like ergonomic. I don't know how I feel because I like everything to be the same, kind of OCD like that. But we'll survive. Anyway, then we have NeoGen Dermalogy Clear Soothing Foam Cleanser. Extensive blemish care. I don't know about you, but I've been getting maskne. You can see it there. Anyway, hopefully this works on them. Then we have Space Case Cosmetics, which I just love that there's like a flying saucer on it. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I'm an alien. It's called Karma is a Beach. Karma is Beach. So we're going to use this and let's see what shade it looks like. I don't like doing my makeup in the thing here. I like doing it where I can actually see. But there we go. So put the there we go. Maybe a little more pigment there. I've like completely not used this ergonomically. I like. Karma is a Beach. I don't like how that lid screws though, but hey. Then we have the Balm, one of my favorite brands because they always have like these funny male names to their products. This is Will Powder. It's a blush. I've got like 4 pounds of blush on my face already, but hey, let's try it. Blend it out. There we go. I'm very blushy now. Anyway, that is the Escape. Oh, you know what? You need to know where to follow me. I left my sign. There we go. And then whatever corner, like, subscribe, watch another video. I don't care. Just like and subscribe. And until next time, stay beautiful.